Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to log on Roblox. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before I begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first you will have to open your browser. Then what you should do is to simply search for Roblox, and after that you can simply click on this option right here, Roblox login, and after that it will show this page right here. Now you can click on create a new account or sign up, and after that you will have to enter your birthday and the username. I'm gonna name it gzone for example, and after that you will have to type the password, choose your gender, and make sure that your username hasn't been taken. And after that you can simply click on sign up. Then here you are, you have signed up on Roblox. As you can see guys, it's very easy and simple. Now you have an account. You can now download the game and use this account to go into any one of these maps. And that's all for today guys, and see you in a new video.